Hi everyone, today we're gonna work together on file and cache. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to clear them, like how you can clean them. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons donc voir ensemble comment nettoyer les browsers. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai lelo na kocoach bino ndenge nini topangusaka nzolomla lingala ndenge kopangusa to konettoyer nini na biso browser na biso. Alors nango lakisa bino biloko mwa mingi, okay? Nde na bakaso boza na mituna utindela ngai yango, okay? Guys, in case you don't get it, please feel free to contact me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys, okay? So yeah, so we're gonna go on the browser, okay? We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to I'm gonna show you guys how you can like clean or clear them. So when you go right there, okay, you can go in history. Okay, you go in history here, okay, and I'm right there, clear there, okay. You click, okay, and then from there you put all of them, okay. Now you're gonna see something here say browsing history, cookie, all this, and cache. You see the cache I'm talking about right there, right? And then you come here, you click on this, okay. Click on that, and after that you can come here again, you click there. This one is like you know, in your computer or phone you have something called reset, okay. You click right there, okay, and then click there, right, you close it. Now you're not done yet. You can do the same thing we do, because I want to go step by step, okay. You come here, you click there again, sorry, double click on it, and you're gonna go right here. Now go down a little bit. Go down a little bit. You see here, the place it's writing more tools, okay? And you come here. When you go there, right? And you click on it. When you click on it, you're gonna see here. See here, it's like the same thing we did, okay? And you click here. Clear that, okay? You click on it. It's the same thing, the same process we did, okay? Yeah, so the same thing we did. After that, close it, right? Now we're gonna go to the next step, okay? So when you are here, okay, just type setting, okay? You type setting, okay? Click on it, and you click on that. You're gonna see you're gonna see this. You're gonna go on the system, okay? You click system. When you here, you see this, right? Click right here, okay? And then when you here, in my case I put never, okay. I just leave it never. And then when you're here, click on clear now, okay. This one, clean now, okay. You click on it, okay. So it's gonna take time, but don't panic. Yep. So after this, then you close it. Now we're not done yet, okay. So now you're gonna go here, okay. When you go right here, you type this one, okay. This, see, gonna see like this one. It's gonna come up like this, and then you type this, okay. Type this one. This is the one you're gonna type, okay. After that, you type okay. You click okay, okay. And then when you do that, you're gonna see this, and you click continue. And from there, you're gonna see this is this one, okay. You hold Control and A, okay, or you just highlight it, okay. And so in case you don't get it, you can just use your mouse, okay. In case you don't get it, you just use your mouse and you highlight them like this, okay. In case you don't know how to do it, you can just highlight like this, right click, and you click delete, okay. Click like that, okay. And after that, we're gonna do same thing. You click same thing, okay, and then you're gonna see the you're gonna see this again, okay? And then this time you're gonna tap this, okay? Tap this one, okay? And then nothing is there. Just highlight it, delete it. Okay? Sometimes it doesn't. It's okay. You can close it. And then after this, we're gonna do same thing. Okay? Gonna do the same thing. This time, type this. Okay? Okay? And Control A. Osimbi control na A. Umona na keyboard now. Control na A. Like that. And then delete. Umona na clavier na place bakoma delete. Or click na yango. So you look at in your keyboard and then just see where to write delete. Click on it and then continue. In case if it doesn't rid of all of them, it's okay. Okay, and then when you finish this part, okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna go here. There, you write disk, this one, okay, and you're gonna see this. Click here. You take a look which one you wanna delete. It's not gonna affect anything on any stuff here, okay? Just click here, okay, and you're gonna see this one. Okay? And then after this, you click OK. Yep. And I see this one. Just be patient. It's not gonna like mess up your stuff then. Just be patient, okay? So we're gonna go right here, okay? Right there. We're gonna tap restore, okay? This one. You see this? This is the one we need, okay? So we're gonna click on it. Double click on that. And when you click on that, you're gonna see this. You're gonna see this. Now, when you are there, we're gonna go to, you see here where it say configure, okay, in this one. So you're gonna click on that. So you see this one, make sure that don't go to up like this. No, just one or two is good enough. Okay. After when you are there, you click on delete here. Okay. Click on this one and then continue. Okay. And then close. Okay. Now when you finish that, so okay. Now from there when you're done, okay, and then you're gonna go right here, right there, okay, click on that. When you hear we're gonna create, let's say my camp, let's put hash Burlington, Ontario, okay, and then create it. Okay, be patient. Okay, and then close it. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, so we're gonna go to when you here, we're gonna go to the local disk. Okay, what we have to do, okay, so we're gonna go to the local disk. So to go to the local disk, you see here, click on it. I mean, sorry, here, click on this. You're gonna see this, but we're gonna go to the local disk. We're gonna click there. You're gonna go right here. We're gonna go here. Click on it, and then from here we're gonna go to when you are there, we're gonna go to window. When you go in the window, we're gonna go to we're gonna look something called software distribution. Okay, so we have to be patient and we have to take a look. Gonna go around. Okay. So this is the one we need. This one, okay? Click on that. And then when you are here, okay? When you are there, you go to download here. Click on it. And then from here, don't be afraid. Just hold Control A, okay? And delete it. Donc, au fini, li bo kono na clavier, Control na A. Après ça, au delete, okay? Or you just can right click here and delete, okay? It's gone, okay? Yeah, and then you close it. So now we're gonna go to File Explorer. Okay, we're just gonna click here. When you click there, we're gonna go to the File Explorer. So you're gonna go right here. Okay, you click there, and from there we're gonna go to option. There, there, and then click on it. When you click here, right? So you see here, you're gonna see here. Okay, right here, this one. Okay, click on it. Right? So here you don't have to go like in a lot of places. You don't need to do any like a lot of stuff. Just when you are here, okay? When you are there, I mean here, that's the option we did, okay? So I'm gonna go one more time to show you. Okay? One more time. Right there. You're gonna go right here. You're gonna go right there. You're gonna click there. Okay? And then this is what I wanna show you. Okay? This is the one. You click here. Okay? Click on that. And hey, you close it, right? Yeah, so that's what I want to show you guys today. That's how you clean the file. I mean, the temp file and the cache file. Okay, so that's how we clean it. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.